Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. Coronavirus live updates. Delhi records 2,779 new COVID 19 cases. Positivity rate 6.2%. Lieutenant General CP Mohanty retires as Vice Chief of Army Staff. BSP releases list of 61 candidates for fifth phase of UP polls. Punjab governor orders probe on illegal mining. AAP leader Raghav Chadha. COVID infected government employees in Odisha to get 1 week leave. Jharkhand eases COVID curbs. Schools, colleges to reopen from February 1. Uttar Pradesh records 6,626 new COVID 19 cases, 18 related deaths. And now, news from the world. Ship collided with another vessel in the North Sea on Monday. The Dutch Coast Guard rescued 18 crew members. The F 15 fighter jet disappeared about 5 kilometers from Komatsu Air Base in central Ishikawa region of the Sea of Japan, said a spokesperson. Iran stops using one of its nuclear sites after attack. UN watchdog. US gives full approval to Moderna's COVID 19 vaccine for adults. And now some sports news. Manika Batra breaks into top 50 of women's singles world table tennis rankings. ICC Under 19 World Cup. Nishant Sindhu recovers from COVID 19. Entire India squad fit for semi-final versus Australia, says a report. India versus West Indies. West Bengal government gives nod to 75% attendance for T20s International in Eden Gardens. Ranji Trophy League phase set to be held from February 16 to March 5. These were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.